First thing you're going to need to do when you're actually on the home screen of your Peloton, you just basically need to be logged in like I am so here. And you can see right here, I'm already logged in because that's my profile icon, which you want to click on in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. When you click on this, we'll actually see the option to click on the settings page right here, which is in the top left now. And you can basically click on this and view all the settings just like so. But you can edit any of your information if you'd like. But we want to click on this option called Connected Apps right here. And you can see right here all of the socials that you want to connect, any fitnesses or any music that you want to connect like so. And basically, when you actually click on the one that you want to connect, it'll simply take you to the login page just like so. In doing so, you can actually just log into their account and simply click on link and it will link it to the Peloton. And another way to actually link these applications, you can see on the home screen right here, you can basically just go to the home screen and then you can see right here, there's this option to link any of your devices. And when you click on this, there'll actually be a few more options. You can see right here, we've got Fitbit, Garmin, Strava, and Apple Health again. And basically you click on it and again, log into that profile and it will link your data with Peloton and whatever you're trying to link.